Samsung is slowly replacing the iPhone, and this is why. Upon the release of the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, MKBHD had this to say.
Why would you get any other phone? No, seriously. Why would you get any other phone? This S24 Ultra has taken the best things from every other ultra high-end phone and stuffed them into one place, so anything that you could possibly value, it has pushed to the max. This phone sets the tone for 2024.
It does not end there, as Mr. Who's the Boss himself actually had to put the iPhone in its place by doing this.
The iPhone is now being relegated to a secondary phone, and this is the one that I'm going to be keeping my SIM in.
To be fair, the iPhone 15 Pro Max that's being compared to the S24 Ultra was released in September last year, so that makes it 4 months older than the Samsung device. But then if we're to compare the same Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to the iPhone that comes in the same calendar year, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, that would make the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 8 months older than the latest iPhone in the same calendar year. So it seems like there won't really be fair comparisons unless if both phones are released in the same month and same calendar year. But at the same time, 4 months is half the time frame of 8 months. That's just my quick 2 cents. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.